Hey guys, just going to show you my really cheap screened bottom board for the langstroth hive that I've knocked up. I was actually looking at doing a solid bottom board. The problem was I didn't have enough timber lying around the house, and yeah, I just couldn't do it. I'm not too fussed about bottom entrances. I'm going to be using top entrance holes. I'm just going to drill a hole like 14 mil and just use that. So I just had some of these timber lying around. This is just pine. I'll have to treat this later on. Had some of this mesh that was just there, so this is about 1/4 inch, not too sure, not too fast. Really bodgy, as you can see. I took a lot of shortcuts, so I ran out of these screws to hold down the mesh into the wood. So I just used a nail and curved it, and it seemed to have done the trick, and it won't affect the level because it's not there, but this whole thing is not level anyway. I mean, come on, it's real cheaply done. As you can see here, there's a bit of a hole here. It's just where it's not overlapping correctly, so I'm going to just get some cotton or something and just intertwine it so it just locks up nice and tight. Yeah, I'll show you how it's going to look. That's pretty much it. It's not too bad. I mean, I'm not too fussed. I mean, some people say, oh, screened bottom boards are better. You know, bees need a lot of ventilation. I don't know. I'm not a bee expert, but all I know is that we had bees in our walls, you know, in the garage roof. You know, we have a lot of beekeepers in the area, and their bees tend to swarm a lot. And I don't know what it's like to live inside a wall, but I don't think there's much ventilation going on in there. It just seems to be a bit too jam-packed, if you ask me, in the wall. You've got the insulation and everything, but the bees seem to have loved it. So I don't know if I'll go ahead using this. I mean, I might go around to my uncle's house, see if I can find some scrap timber, make a solid bottom board, make it better. But yeah, if you're looking for a cheap idea, yeah, that's it. I mean, some people have a sliding board, but yeah, this is just, as you can see, such a simple design. So you have one going around, and this is all like the same height, and then just a bottom one to hold the mesh in place, pretty much. And that's it. Okay, I'll let you know how it goes. If my bees die, then yeah, it's because I stuffed up with this most likely, but see how it goes.